The Belkin difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 30 years. Play music from your iPhone without an adapter. Single cable solution supports iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by 8/8 Plus, 7/7 Plus. Connects to car stereos and home, portable speaker systems. Convenient 3-foot, 0.9 and 6-foot, 1.8 lengths available. Enjoy your favorite music anywhere with a single cable that connects your iPhone to 3.5 mm car speakers or home speaker systems. Available in multiple lengths for convenience. The first MFi-certified 3.5 mm audio to Lightning cable on the market guarantees sustained compatibility with iOS updates, preserving functionality for a seamless experience. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. MFi certification guarantees ongoing compatibility with iPhone after iOS updates. Meets all Apple required and preferred standards for Lightning audio to maintain sound quality. Top reviews from the United States. Good connection on both ends. A little expensive, being the diameter of cable is a little flimsy to my liking. The male 3.5 mm connector and Lightning connector snaps in port very tight, so it makes a great connection compared to my other cord. That being said, the value is worth every penny.